I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing about the nature of executive leadership. Have you heard about the leadership? And what about the executive leadership? Have you any idea about that? If you have to come down in the management principles, if you have to come down with the professional attitude is to be there, even on the basis of organization development is to be there, executive like manager. Because whatever the topic we are discussing here, it is totally related with business management. So, if you are a leader is not, I'm not telling anything about the politician or something is to be there. We are discussing about the organization leader. And in the organization leaders, if the person is managing the things, is even he is holding the position, holding the situation is to be there, so definitely what nature, what characters, what skills we have already discussed, not in the skills, specialties we can say, specialist. So because whenever you enter in a doctor's cabin, now earlier the condition was there only there was one person is GP. आपके पास सिर्फ एक जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर होता था जनरली, हम बात कर रहे हैं अराउंड 30, 40, 50 years around there. He is a concern of graduate degree, maybe MBBS. Later on, as the concept new come down, new disease come down, specialty wing come down, then the degree of masters added, like MS or MD. ऐसे तो हम लोग क्या करने लगे धीमे धीमे, हमें पहले क्या था, कोई भी बीमारी होती थी हम कहीं भी पहुंच जाते थे, किसी भी डॉक्टर के पास पहुंच गए और अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराया, चले जाए. ये हम बात कर रहे हैं जब आपके बाबा दादी ये लोग होंगे, ग्रैंडफादर हैं. इसके बाद द एज इज टू बी, फादर्स इज टू बी देयर. इवन हम लोग की एज, हम लोग स्टार्टिंग की समझ लीजिए लाइक दैट, द कंडीशन विल कम डाउन, एक स्पेशलिस्ट डूइंग लाइक. तो हियर वी आर टेलिंग अबाउट द स्पेशलिस्ट लाइक, वी आर नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट द सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट पर्सन. That is later on. The concept is already coming down. Right, if you have to come down the leadership behavior, visionary, charismatic. This type of leadership is to become the super specialist type of leadership character. So in this specialist group was there. In the specialist group, whatever the concept, whatever the nature, whatever the behavior is to be there, we will discuss accordingly. So in this executive leadership, executive behavior, there are certain area, and what are the areas to be there and what are the leaders to be there, because each and everything should be very very clear accordingly. Otherwise we cannot say down if this is the need of the institution is to be there. So in the nature of executive leadership, the first one, पहली चीज क्या होती है एक लीडर के लिए? if you are appointed as a manager, as a business leader, if you are leading the team is to be there, and then what is the first thing is to be? That is providing purposeful direction to the firm. What is the main direction to the firm? What is mean? हर कोई, इवन वी कैन से नाउ, हर कोई जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में काम करता है, ही गिव हिज बेस्ट पोटेंशियल टू दैट. इन दिस whenever we are telling about the purposeful, the word is very very critical is to be there. We are not from the 100% is over there, 100% full utilization, full complete. Now purposeful, the main thing is to be there. Why you are coming in the institution? First, your vision and the organizational vision, it should be correlated, and when it becomes the correlation was there, things will be achieved. I have an idea and to be there. Later on I will take up on some worksheets to be there in our due course of time, but then we will take up this type of exercise can be carried on in a very practical way, because that is known as a workshop training was there. But here we are telling, so each and every executive leader should have a purposeful direction to the firm, and if this purposeful direction to the firm is very very traditional approach, then we can say down the real values is justifiable. So in this purposeful directions, in this purposeful manner, whatever the direction is to be there, it should be very clear. This is the first point. Second, managing survival and growth. Survival and growth. In this competitive world, even before that, if you have to go for the lockdown, everyone has to be. I just remember a speech of Ratan Tata कि आज की दुनिया में आप कितना कमा रहे हैं इस समय, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. आज आप सरवाइव कर रहे हैं, मींस आपकी जिंदगी है, आप जिंदा हैं, यही आपका ग्रोथ है. दिस इज द जेस्ट. सो whatever as an executive leadership, the executive leader will first survive what? Two things. एक organization and then its surroundings. Day by day, as and when the condition will be in the survivors, we have to grow for growth phase. Like in product life cycle, you know the things is to be there: introductory phase, then growth phase, then maturity phase. So in the same thing, we are as a good executive leader, it's the nature of the good executive leader is to give the growth phase. But first, he should stabilize like that. Even otherwise, what happened? Just for the introductory phase, it will be dropped down. No growth can be come down forward. So this is very essential things this you have to look after. Then third, if you now you survive, starting the growth, what is the nature of executive leadership in the third phase? That is maintaining firms, या organizations, whatever so. Firms and organization efficiency in terms of profit generation. In terms of profit generation. Again, why? Just remember, first you have to give a corporate directions, then starting to survive in that competitive environment, process starting for the takeoff, day by day, small may be possible, and now the condition will come down, start the earning of the bread. Earning of the bread in the terms of profit is starting. Firms also efficiency in the profits of it. We have to start the profit generation. And when the profit generation was covered down, so when the profit will be coming down, so in this profit we will think something new, because its profit is not the charting is to be there. So now when again remember product life cycle, introductory phase, growth phase. Now when our profit is to be started like this phase, like that, what is the next thing is to be? The next thing was there, we have to give certain new idea to the organization. Ultimately, more or less, as executive leadership, you will not provide any new things in that. So managing for innovation is the next nature of that. Managing for innovation. For this managing for innovation, you should have a clear-cut idea of creativity. If this creativity will be yours, you can say now you will get down a very good result in that. Ultimately, unless here the profit maximization, profit is starting, profit sharing, profit process has been started. So as and when, day by day, profit is to be there. Now you have to divide the diversified business started it here. Otherwise, what the thing is to be, you will get on the maximum market. Then no change can be done, no entry of the new markets can be carried out. Again, your stock market will be stagnant accordingly. That's why a lot of companies to be carrying whatever the Tata, whatever the build up, whatever saying to be there. अब सिंपल सा एक एग्जाम्पल एक हम लोग मोबाइल यूज करते हैं. मोबाइल में डे बाय डे बहुत तरीके के प्लान्स आते हैं, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. और जो प्लान्स आपने देखे होंगे, वेदर इट्स ए प्रीपेड और द पोस्टपेड. तो प्रीपेड आज अगर वो प्लान 10 रुपीज का है, कल हो सकता है 20 का हो जाए, कल को फिर अगेन 7 रुपीज का. Why they are doing this type of things? Because they know there is a diversified of the people is to be there. You are getting the profit, but you need something new and you want that customer should attract accordingly. So in this traction war, we have to give certain innovative ideas to this. So we have to do the managing for innovations. ठीक है? Now, if now at this stage, maybe possible you are a single one, or maybe a lot of persons to be there because people are already there. So we have to reach down fifth point, because human resources will be there. Or when the human resources, so we have to look after building human resources. Building is not a single person. Building is basically the structural procedure, structural column of the human resources service to be there. That may include the HRD also. So in this HRD, we can look after the part of the training and development, and then we can carry on also. So for growth-oriented organization, managers, executive leaders, it is the prime responsibility of yours, because all of you are the management students. Later on, you become as a organization leaders, organization managers. So you will not getting the success until and unless your team should not run with you. Or when the team is running with you, definitely you will get on whatever the success you want. Then next, again retaining process, because human resource, whatever the retaining talent and retaining talent, because new person will become down, retaining talent and inculcating sense of loyalty. Now here at this position, as an executive leader's nature should be like that, because we are the growing phase, we are getting the profits. Now we have the team of the team members, we have the team of the group members, whatever, and then we have to look after some other talent also. Even now here at this point, company may be diversified. Now single company was there A, now company want, we should get on A plus, A plus plus, A, whatever different companies they have to think of. We will diversify our business, we will extend the business, we will go globally to be there, we can just merger or acquisition or whatever so is to be there. So they want to different. So now we have to train, now starting the training of the other person, we already started because by means of the HRD process. Now we have ready to take care of the processes to be there. So retaining talent, and we should look at retaining whatever the talent we have, we should retain them, and inculcating, we have to look after some of the good talent to be there later on. Then now this thing, यही सबसे बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट होता है for a executive leadership, because here we are thinking that whatever the process to be carried out, it is by ourselves only. This is the main thing. यहीं पे आता है आपका, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ईगो. So point number 7 should be very very clear to you. ये सक्सेस सिर्फ आपकी नहीं है, ये सक्सेस है इंस्टीट्यूशन की, इंस्टीट्यूशन टीम की, इंस्टीट्यूशन मोटिव की, आपके विजन की, आपके. इट्स फाइन, बट each and every person is involved in this structure. केवल आपका एफर्ट नहीं है और आप इसके बारे में नहीं खाली सोचेंगे. So in this you just keep it, your ego, esteem, whatever, so just keep it and start sustaining leadership effectiveness. Sustaining leadership effectiveness, याद करिए. Now I have to come down. बिल्कुल एक सिंपल लाइफ एग्जांपल. आप सबने ऋतिक रोशन वाली मूवी देखी होगी, लक्ष्य. याद है? लक्ष्य देखी? चलिए, we have to come down the last theme थोड़ा सा. जब ऋतिक रोशन उस हिल के ऊपर पहुंच जाता है और साइड आता खाई की साइड से, और टीम उसके साथ, उसके जो भी मेंबर्स बचते हैं वो सब जाते हैं उसके साथ, और वहां पर दुश्मन के साथ उसकी फायरिंग होती है और वो उस बंकर या उस स्टेशन को या जो भी स्टेज को, चौकी को कब्जा कर लेता है। उस समय रात का समय होता है और सारे हो रहा है। तब उसे एक चीज याद आती है जो उसके एक कुलीग ने, उसके किसी ने बोली थी कि ये जो दुश्मन है इनका ये टेंडेंसी है कि ये लौट के दोबारा आते हैं। जिस वक्त आप थके होते हैं आपके ऊपर फिर से अटैक करेंगे और आपको खत्म करके वापस चौकी अपने आप में कब्जा कर लेंगे। ये उसको याद आता है। याद करिए, मैं आपको इसलिए रिमाइंडर करता हूं। एट दिस पॉइंट योर लीडरशिप इज वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिव। नाउ यू हैव टू सस्टेन दैट लीडरशिप बिकॉज योर लीडरशिप शो ए वेरी गुड रिजल्ट, एंड इफ योर रिजल्ट इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग ऑन तो यू हैव टू कैरी ऑन अकॉर्डिंगली। वहां ऐसा ही हुआ, उसको याद आया, वो जगह बैठा, जगता रहा, नहीं सोया, और जैसे दुश्मन ने वहां पहुंचा इसने बम्बारमेंट किया, पूरी दुश्मन की टीम साफ कर दी और कब्जा बरकरार रहा। सेम थिंग अगर आपको यहां लगता है एट दिस पॉइंट रिटेनिंग ईच अदर, देन इट इज ओनली योर सक्सेस टू बी देयर, यू आर फॉल, यू आर मिसलीडिंग। इट इज द पावर इज टू बी देयर, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर द थिंग्स इज टू बी, और अल्टिल अनलेस you are not look after the things is to be, definitely you cannot get on the success is to be there. So you have to sustain at this point. This is the major crucial point is to be there कि at least जितनी जगह हमको मिली, जितनी पोजीशन हमको मिली, जिस पोजीशन पे हम हैं, it should be maintained accordingly, and it is not like we have to go down the stair or the up stair is to be there like that. So retaining and sustain, so this word should be maintained sustainingly, leadership effectiveness. And then we have to take on. Now, when you have to sustain, and you have already created down the creativity, and you have to conformity also. So now the next point is maintaining balance. Maintaining balance between, because हमारे यहाँ टीम बहुत अच्छी हो गई होगी, सब चीजें between creativity and conformity. Now, at this point, as an executive leader, you have a good team, it's fine. Your organizational motive is very clear, your organizational vision is clear, you and your team or your group members already striving accordingly, your growth phase is already like that, each and every. Now, because you have the incubation team is to be there, day by day diversification can be carried out, new product development also be carried out, your also motive is to be clear. So now you have to give down a complete balance like that. Balance in the whatever the new invention, whatever the new techniques, whatever the new tools come down in the system, you have to retain that system, and day by day advanced skill development can be carried out. As an advanced skill development is to be carried out, definitely you will get on the success also to be there. So in this point you have to maintain whatever the things is to be. Then next, 9th point, postponing managerial obsolescence. 9th, postpone managerial obsolescence. तो postpone managerial obsolescence, whatever the fault you have taken earlier in this complete process up to the 8th point, day by day you just retain the thing, finish, because the main thing is to be there. If you want to teach any type of new things is to be there, it's fine. If your budget is to be allowed, definitely you will carry on. If the things cannot be carried out, then postponement is not possible in that way. So whatever the things is to be managerial, new equipment, new utilization, new resources can be carried out, because these are innovative processes to be there and everyone is to be there. But if anything besides this, you should not go for that. So you have to postponing accordingly, because you have to stabilize this position to be there. Now, next, whatever in executive leadership qualities to be there, then meeting the challenges of change. Meeting the challenges of the change. Now, because पहले क्या था, पहले हमारा इंस्टीट्यूशन ग्रोथ ले रहा था ऐसे, we have चल रहे थे. Now everyone in the market knows us. Our peoples recognize the market. They have accepted our rules and techniques. They have accepted our products. They have accepted our values. They accepted our faith is to be there. We are in the studio like that. But as a new technique, new tools is always the process, because change is a natural process of the mind. Like that. So if we are in a change process, day by day system, technology, concept is to be changed. So you should be ready accordingly. We are already told that innovative process is to be carried out. So every executive leader is that type of nature by which his team is doing. So in this challenges, in this theme, we have to challenge this. Take up the challenge, and meeting the change point is to be there. We cannot change whole of the system, but phase by phase in the growth absolutely is to be there. We can be take care of that also. So meeting the changes of challenges is to be there. Then coping. और changes कैसे होंगे? Changes कैसे करेंगे हम? Whatever the new technology will be come down. Whatever, because it's a, I think 10th point maybe. Yeah, sorry, 11th point. 11. So coping with growing technological, coping with growing technological sophistication. It is, I think, 11 or 12 point or whatever. You just check it out. It's not the matter. Now, as our company grow, as other company grow. कई बार आपने पिक्चर में, मूवीज में डायलॉग सुना होगा, या a lot of MDPs, EDPs प्रोग्राम सुने हैं, जिसमें लोगों ने बताया होगा कि हम अपने को दूसरे को गिराए बिना हम शायद आगे बढ़ नहीं सकते. सही है साहब? किसी बिजनेस को खत्म करिए तभी आप ले पाएंगे. गलत है ये. We have to start a new journey toward the side of the innovations and incubation things to be there. Definitely we can go carry on this to be there. So in this process, the same thing is to be there. If you are really a good leader, if you are really a transitional or new transfer leaders to be there, even visionary approach was there, even you have the charismatic type of leadership qualities to be there, then you have to take this technological sophistication. Day by day, technology will be played down. So this is the nature of the executive leadership. You have to look after, you should strive for technology, new technology. And when the new technology will be come down day by day, definitely you will get down what the process to be there. Then the main thing, now here again you have to take a one, I already told you, in that time when the organization is growing, you should take care in that, and you have to take that is one thing. Now here again you have to take the one stop is to be there. And what stop is to be there? The main thing. Because you have to know the technology, you have to think. Now, coping with, next point. Coping with, what coping with? Growing public criticism. Growing public criticism. Whatever the concept to be there. And political opposition. Both. What both? Objective, superficial level, please can sit down, and irrational. याद है? Again, we have to come down. मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल इसलिए देता हूँ मूवीज का कि आपने कभी याद रहती है. 3 Idiot. उसमें जो हीरो होता है, उसका एक दोस्त होता है, आई थिंक नाम क्या, चतुर. तो कहता है कि किसी भी एग्जाम को पास करने के 2 तरीके होते हैं. एक, या तो आप अच्छी पढ़ाई करिए और अच्छा रिजल्ट ले आइए, बहुत बढ़िया बात, और या दूसरे का कंसंट्रेशन ब्रेक कर दीजिए, और जब वो कंसंट्रेशन ब्रेक कर देगा तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रोथ कर लेंगे. सेम थिंग, whenever you are going in a very personal base to be there, because the nature of the executive leadership, your leadership, organization growing day by day, you are keeping each and everything is to be there, you're coping each and every technologies to be there. Now, in this growing, a lot of public, a lot of means your team, your group members to be there. They are now criticizing कि आपने ऐसा कर दिया, आपने ऐसा कर दिया, आपने ऐसा कर दिया. Now listen, everything is to be very carefully. And your outside officials also, even outside body also, they are also criticizing. There's a two types of criticism is to be there. One is general. You are doing, why you have to do this? Okay, this is objective based type. Or second thing is non-irrespective. It is not related with you, not related with them. So just coping the things is to be. You just listen each and everything, just seeing each and everything, but just coping that type of condition and situation. Because for the executive leadership, if things are not stopped at this point, your whole credibility goes day by day, day by day, day by day. And then this very critical condition can be come down later on also. Then, if you can maintain these things, then the main problem, then coping with increasing levels of aspiration. Level of aspiration. This is the theory of, I'm just telling the Philip Kotler like. Because what the Philip Kotler told, that जब आपकी नीड है वाटर और आपने पानी पी लिया तो आपकी प्यास बुझ गई, लेकिन थोड़ी देर के बाद अगर मैं आपके सामने कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेके आता हूं और आपकी जो चॉइस है उसी का लेके आता हूं, तो भले ही आपका मन नहीं है, लेकिन आप उस कोल्ड ड्रिंक को लेंगे और अच्छे से पिएंगे. अच्छे से माने हो सकता है 1-2 ग्लासेस पी जाए आप. राइट. So the need later on converted into the want later on converted to the need. This time, same thing is to be. Whatever the aspirations, because as the company grow, as executive leaders grow, as the organization grows to be there, this is your nature is to be there, because executive leaders is to be. Okay, you have to increase the level of aspirations. So you have to increase day by day, day by day, day by day, or as the condition will be day by day, definitely you can get down whatever the success is to be there. And then definitely you will get down really. And the last thing, because that is the gist of this leadership behavior, leadership technologies is to be there. What that is to be, that is maintaining relations. Ultimate. Before that, because last point I just was on. What is the motive of the organization is to be there? First, self. Second, our surroundings is our associates, and third is our surrounding. So same thing is to be the executive leadership. So that is the main thing is to be. In the final point, we will maintaining relations with various society segments. So whatever the different part of game is to be there in your particular society, whatever your organization is running, accordingly, you have to take care that needs to be there. So in the nature of executive leadership, you have to maintain societal benefit also. Ultimate, if you will not do these things to be, definitely you will not get down success for which the things can be carried out. So these are basically the nature of executive leadership. If in the final just concluding of that thing used to be there, I am just conclude in a very small form is to be there, because there may be a certain dimension can be carried out. In this 14 points, you have to look after certain dimensions. Like certain is loyalty, you have to maintain. Second, confidence, loyalty, confidence, executive leader should maintain, because this is the nature of that is to be there. Then communication, you have to maintain the communication also. Then no hesitations, like no hesitation should be there in between the parties to be, whether you are a group member, whether the team member was there. Then whatever, you should be a supportive manner. These are just I'm just telling about whatever the 14 point told. And then satisfaction. In this LCC, HSS like that is to be. So if you are really a good executive leader, good leadership qualities is to be there. So in this you have to manage whatever the system is to be there. And if you are maintaining the system, you are maintaining this powers to be there, definitely you will get down the success, and real success is to be carried out. So now I am just concluding the things in the final views. Today we are discussing about the nature of executive leadership. In this executive leadership, we have seen that the survival, first we have to survive, then after we have to take the growth, then adjust the challenges, and then we have to maintain our position in the institution, and as the position is to be maintained, we have to take the technological advancement day by day, and then accordingly to technological, we have to give the new innovative ideas, and then finally we have to take care the organizational development by the values of the surroundings also, that is known as the society segment. Okay, so this is the overall concept is to be there.